Hey guys, Czar here. Here's what I'm doing. 1 minute chart after a massive sell-off today. This is the 1 minute chart, of course. Taking a quick look. Going to give you an EMA just for added information here. I've cleared out the session background, so we just got a blank chart dealing with nothing but price action here. See if we can get a consolidation breakout right here. Did you see that thing break and hold? Break and hold. Again, this is the 1 minute chart. "27 seconds left. "5 seconds. 6. For a small pullback here, not going to get it. All right, buying. Super tight stop. Looking for a push up. Watching, guys. Yeah, I'm willing to risk 4.75 points here on the SPY. Watching now. Watching. Here it comes. For 5R on this, guys. My sizing was from the original, okay, 4.5R. 4.5R. I gave it a bit of extra room, but my sizing was on this. Giving a bit of room to come back. It's okay. Being super patient on this. First trade of the day. Unbelievable. With all this movement, and it's 2:40 now, 2:39, 2:40 in the afternoon. We're 10 minutes away from power hour, the last hour of the day on the New York Stock Exchange. And this is all I've really found. Strange day. Watching. Patiently watching, guys, patiently watching. Stop the break even. Stop the break even due to where we got halfway to our target, so 2R, a little bit more than 2R, and time spent, right? Due to the time spent, these additional candles justifies, in my mind, based on my model anyway, moving stop to break even. Being very patient now. Just going to drop VWAP on here very quickly to see where we stand. That's the volume weighted average price, so we got a long way to go to there. I'm just trying to get to this piece here. Make sense? Hope so. I'll take VWAP back off again so we can keep this thing nice and clean. We'll watch this play out together. Patience. Patiently waiting. You'll notice I repeat those things a lot, so I found that it does help other traders to hear my mindset, what I'm telling myself, and what I'm recommending or suggesting to them in terms of how to think about this. Many traders, especially after this massive sell-off today, will just be grabbing these profits and running. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stay with this thing to the bitter end. There's a very high chance that this is going to round over and come all the way back, but I'm okay with that. It's a no-lose for me, but a potential 4.7R winner. Patiently waiting. I don't think I need to explain this trade. I think it's fairly self-explanatory. Base building, rejection, base build, rejection, break, retest, explode. When prices are moving as much and as big as they are, I don't mind trading this entire thing off the 1 minute chart. There's lots of transactions happening today to justify the lower, even one of the lowest time frames. I mean, there's a 10-second chart, obviously, but I wouldn't use that today. So that big blue candle that you're looking at right now is devastating to a lot of traders. The feeling that comes with that, the impulse to shut it down, to close it, to take the profit is very strong. I'm feeling it too. And this one, even worse. What would you do? could take 1.5R right now. Or I could give it all back, potentially. That looks like it's the way that it's going. Feels like it. Now it really feels like it. Just breathing. Making sure my hands are soft. No tension in my forearms, in my grip, in my chest. It's become so routine for me that I just yawned. I try to do it silently. Hopefully you didn't hear. Big yawn. Let's take a look at something else. This is the 4-hour chart. That is one long leg into this zero gravity zone. Prepared now to be stopped out on this zigzag 1, 2, 3 down. If that's a measured move, I'm going to be stopped out, right? It's just the way it works. If this is a measured move, then this is what's going to happen. We'll see. There's no reason it has to be a measured move, by the way. It can be a truncated ABCD, A, B, C, D, and then the move. Or A, B, C, D. People count these things a little differently, but still in, still alive, still trusting the model. I think I can lose now unless there's a massive insta crash. If there's an insta crash, I could get slipped. Otherwise, it's going to be a break even at worst, and a 4.7R at best. I'll take the latter if it's up for grabs. Patience. The amateur trader would now be taking profit because they got back to where they were or pretty close to where they were before and say, okay, no, I can't let that happen again. I can't let that go back down again and maybe stop me out of break even. So now I'll take it off the table or take some off the table, limiting their potential upside. And that move that I just described is what keeps most traders break even at best or losing traders at worst. And it's all human nature, it's all psychology, it's all impulse. And this is a game of impulse control, as you'll hear me say over and over again. It's not about learning more about technical analysis or getting a better system. It's about managing what we're talking about right now in this trade. It's about being okay with this thing dropping all the way back and taking me out at break even. Even though a part of me feels like it sucks. I need to be willing to do it for the long term, right? For the long run outcome. Trusting. Focus now. Tempted to take it early. Are you? If you were in this trade? Of course. It's human. This is a double top. And we just got a rejection wick. You know what that means? This thing might be going south. Let's see if it fakes out the double top and actually goes higher. It's my preference. But the market doesn't care what my preference is. We're just trusting a model. you back here for a moment. See this driving up? It's not a very big move on the 30-minute chart, is it? It's right there. This little leg is this entire trade. All these candles that you see here, from down here to up here, is just this little candle. All of a sudden, it doesn't feel like we're asking much, right? Well, the market's acting like we're asking a bit too much, which it sometimes does. Focus. We need one more push. No tension, no anxiety, just watching. Can we do it? I think so. The little engine that could. One more. Here it comes. Boom. Done. Nice trade, guys. 4.6R on the S&P. Thanks for joining me. Have an amazing night. We'll see you tomorrow for Friday, Freaky Friday. Take care, guys. Have a good one.